Here we go, HobbyBox604, back with another group break. This is group break 571, a single box ultimate collection, $2 a spot. We decided to do some, and we are doing our second box. Here we go. As earlier, we decided to do 3 times. Daryl R got 5, Orazio 1, Martin 5, Patrice 5, Shane 10, Harrison 4. Here we go, 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. We got Harrison on top, Martin L on the bottom. Let's go into Excel. There is that. And next is the teams. 1, 2, and 3. Washington on top, Vancouver on the bottom. Here you go. Okay, let's go this alphabetically. Okay, Anaheim Ducks, Daryl R, Shane B, Arizona, Boston Patrice, Martin L, Buffalo, Calgary Shane, Carolina Daryl, Chicago Orazio, Colorado Patrice, Columbus Shane, Dallas Shane, Detroit Daryl, Edmonton Shane, Florida Harrison, LA Harrison, Minnesota Daryl, Montreal, Nashville, New Jersey Shane, Patrice Islanders and Rangers, Ottawa Martin, Philly Patrice, Pittsburgh and San Jose Shane, St. Louis Harrison, Martin Tampa, Toronto Vancouver, Harrison Washington, and Daryl Winnipeg.